Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today it's a quick tutorial video on how to change the lens on a Nikon D90 camera. First you need to remember two things. First thing is you need to make sure that the camera is off, so turn it off. Please don't mind the error message there. It's simply because I've taken the SD card out. And secondly, you want to have your second lens very handy, because the more time you keep lens part open, the more chances there are for dust to get in. So do it as quickly as you can. Something to remember while you do this as well. First thing is the release catch over there. As you can see, it's getting depressed while I'm pressing it. You need to press that in order to release the lens. And also another thing to remember is a white dot on the camera body itself, on here on the left side, and also on the camera. If you look closely, right below the Nikon sign, there's a white dot. Basically that's the point that you want to turn when you are trying to remove the lens. So basically how it happens stepwise is you press this release catch, and then you hold the camera lens. Make sure you have a good hold on your camera body as well, as you don't want to drop it. Step 1, press the release button. Step 2, hold the camera firmly, lens firmly, and then turn it clockwise that way, so that the white dot on the lens, as you can see in there, sorry it's not very clear, comes and aligns with the white dot on the body on there. As soon as it happens, you can then pull the lens out and it releases the lens. And the same thing, you grab your second lens, bring it over, make sure you align the white dot over here on the lens with the white dot on the body of the camera. At this time you can then reverse the process, and all you have to do is, once it's aligned, put it in and then click it anti-clockwise until you hear audible click. So twist it in anti-clockwise direction until you hear audible click. So let's do that. So press that, and then it's ready to come out. Make sure at this time you put the camera facing down so that there is less chance for dust particles to go in. So that's released. Get rid of that. Get another lens. Make sure you align the two dots as mentioned earlier. There you go. And all you have to do is twist it anti-clockwise. As you can hear that audible click. That's unlock. That's locked. And that's how it works. The white dot on the lens actually comes right below the logo, which says Nikon over here. So there you go, it's locked in place. So guys, thanks for watching. That's a quick tutorial video on how to change a lens on your Nikon camera. Please subscribe to the channel for new videos that will come, and we'll give you notifications when they do. And also please input some comment below the video so that I can make more videos on Nikon cameras. Thank you very much for watching guys. Cheers, bye.